Now that you have joined Loadpilot, there are a few things you will want to do before you begin brokering loads. Enter your customer's contact information into Loadpilot's online address book. To do so, click on the tab in the main navigation labeled Address Book. From here, you will be able to see the various customer types you can enter information for. Simply click on the tab for the customer type you want. This will take you over to the customer list for this group. Go ahead and click the Add button. Now, the Add button will be slightly different for each customer group page. For example, I am on the Shippers group page, so the Add button says Add Shipper. Now go through and add in all your customers that you currently have. This will save you time, eliminating the need to enter this information on each load. Once you have entered the info into the address book, Loadpilot will autofill your forms based on the customer you select. Now that you have entered your customer's info, the next item you will want to address is your LoadBoard's memberships. This item only applies to paid Loadpilot subscriptions. It is not available to test drive users. Loadpilot integrates with several online load boards. 3 of these boards require you to create an account with them before they begin accepting loads from your Loadpilot account. To see what boards require separate accounts, click on the Your Account tab in the top navigation. This is your main account settings page. Here you will find a tab labeled Load Boards. Click this to be taken to the LoadBoard settings page. This page displays the boards that currently require you to set up an account with them. You can enter your account info if you already are members with them. Or you can click the Create an Account link to be sent to that particular board to set up your account. Once you have completed their registration process, log back into your Loadpilot account and enter your LoadBoard info and click Save. Next item on the list only applies to paid Loadpilot accounts with agents. If you registered your Loadpilot account to have agents, in order for them to log in and begin working, there is some basic account setup you will need to do on their part. First, you will need to click on the Agents tab in the main navigation. This will bring you to the main Agents page. From here, you will want to click on the Add Agent tab to begin setting up your agent's account. The Add Agent page will allow you to enter the general information for your agent, such as name, contact info, and login password. Your agents will log in with their email address and the password you set them up with, so be sure you provide your agents the correct info. Once you have completed entering their general account info, you will then enter the general commission structure for this agent. Loadpilot will use this structure to determine what this agent will earn on the loads they broker. This info will be reflected in the final accounting info for each load. The last items we need to cover are the payment terms and conditions that will accompany the various forms Loadpilot will generate. To access this section, click on Your Account, then click on Fax Message. This brings you to the Custom Fax Messages page. From here, you can view and edit the Terms and Conditions section for each of the 3 main forms Loadpilot generates. Click on the Edit button to the right of the form you would like to modify or change. Add or change the text as needed and click Save. The info you save on this page will be used on every form you generate. You will also have the ability to modify this content during the brokering of each load.